Hello everybody, what's going on? So, what we're doing today, something I haven't done before, so I kind of tested it to make sure on things before I put it on a video. So what we're doing is, got my 1957 Chevy, and I want to make a sign for car shows to, show it off. So, I started here. I got this piece of wood from work. And all we're doing is adding some heat. So I did one side. I'm doing both sides, so it don't look weird from one angle. So I kind of show you the process. There's the side I haven't done. So let's just get into this. Take a torch and just go over it. Not too fast, not too slow. And I already did all the edges. It's like a sticker or something there. So I'm kind of lazy, so I'm going to do the right thing and just... Oops. Didn't see that there. A little dark's okay, because I'm going to be painting on here, painting words and whatnot, describing the car and all that fun stuff. I've never done this before, so I don't know if there's really a right way or a wrong way. So yeah, I'm just getting into it. Sure. Yeah. This piece of wood was a shelf at my work. I don't know how long it's been a shelf, but it still has some moistures in those knots. Look at me. There we go. And because I'm lazy and have back problems, we're just gonna something like that. There we go. Now I don't have to bend over as far. I'm sure this is probably one of those things that either nobody's gonna really watch or everybody's gonna watch. There's really no in between. Like people power washing and stuff like that. I don't know, like people like watching that kind of thing. I like to think this is something similar. Could be wrong, I don't know. A lot of you probably like, oh, I wish this guy would shut up so I could just watch him do the thing. And that's what mute buttons are for. Turn down your volume. I don't know what to tell you. Sure. Am I getting into it too heavy? Probably. Oh, my first time doing this. I've seen videos on it before. a pretty cool concept. And once I get paint on here, once I paint on my words and all that stuff, I think I would clear coat it, maybe, just to keep the paint on there, but to also keep this from chipping, perhaps. I don't know. Let me know what way I should go about it, but I don't know, I'm digging it. Sure. And there we go. This is going to be the bottom because it's squared. I took a jigsaw and rounded the top just to make it look a little better. Plus, if it was to fall over, you don't have a sharp edge. I left the bottom, that way it kind of gives it more. I don't know what I'm going to do for a base yet. The idea is to, well, here I'll show you. Like at a car show, be kind of, you know, off to the side a little bit. Has words, you know, tells you about the car. 1957 Chevrolet 210. I don't know. I might shorten it. It might be tall. It might be tall. I don't know. First one I've ever done, but I think it turned out pretty cool looking. Well, I think that's it for this one, guys.